Hello, this is imransabuj. Welcome you all to watching my video. Hope everybody is well and good, safe and sound. Today just I'm going to share some experiences. How could you select a perfect hydraulic oil, fluid or lubricants, whatever you say. The basic theory of a hydraulic is to fluid force turn into mechanical forces. I repeat it, fluid force turn into mechanical forces. The main object to use a hydraulic oil to transmit the power one mechanical components to another mechanical components. That's the main object to use hydraulic oil. Beside this, this oil reduce friction, this oil reduce temperature, overheat, and various work just like normal lubricants does. That's the so when you go through to select a perfect hydraulic oil, at first you will go through the product manual of your hydraulic machineries, where some grade was mentioned as like that ISO VZ 32, 46, 68 and 100, 220, whatever it is. Choose the perfect grade which was mentioned in your product manual, and please collect another technical data sheet of your lubricant oil, hydraulic oil, which you are going to purchase. Cross check these two technical data sheet in order to find a perfect lubricating hydraulic oil. So check the viscosity index of your hydraulic, which will be 95 to 100. It is very common. Flash point means which point of temperature your oil will make a fire, which is 200 degree Celsius to 250 degrees Celsius. Check the pour point. Pour point means which point of temperature your oil will be go to freeze, which is 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degree minus 20 degrees Celsius, minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Please cross check these issues, these parameters. Now the questions has been arrived. What is the drain time? It's not any thumbs rule. The general drain time is 15,000 hour to 20,000 hour. It's very common, but time to time it's need to conditional monitoring to what is the real condition, what is the real temperature, and what is the real drain time of your hydraulic oil. This is the basic and one of the important tests to find out the correct, which will help to find out the correct drain time of your hydraulic oil. Hope this point will be helped to select a perfect hydraulic oil and its drain time. Thank you to watching this video.